Water, the essential element of life. It flows in all of us, through our veins and out our pores. We depend on it. No matter your age or lifestyle, everyone needs to drink water. But with busy schedules, work-filled days, staying hydrated is easy to forget. With H2O Pal, hydration is one less thing you need to worry about. H2O Pal has an energy-efficient weight sensor that tracks your water intake throughout the day. It syncs straight to your smartphone or watch, sending you notifications to drink more water. H2O Pal helps you establish a habit of drinking more water at the right time, which can lead to improved focus and productivity, motivate you to stay on track with your daily goal, and give you the satisfaction of seeing your progress over time. You have enough things to worry about. With H2O Pal, staying hydrated won't be one of them. Start a healthier life by getting yours at h2opal.com.
Get your cardio and strength workout all in one with a total body bike. This full-body exercise bike is equipped with built-in adjustable resistance bands. Resistance bands are placed so you can conveniently use them to target your arms, shoulders, and back, all while still pedaling. Find the right band tension with the 3 adjustable levels. Perform bicep curls, triceps extensions, lateral shoulder raises, close grip rows, and much, much more. Go off the bike and perform isolated strength exercises. Focus more on toning the muscles of the legs. Simply attach the resistance band to your ankle. Focus on the glutes and hamstrings by performing hip extensions. Tone the inner and outer thighs by performing hip abduction and adduction movements. Experience a smooth and quiet ride with the belt drive mechanism, along with the magnetic tension system. Soft grip handles with integrated pulse sensors accurately read your real-time heart rate. Large, easy-to-read, and simple-to-use LCD monitors show your workout progress. Oversized cushioned seats for added comfort during those longer workouts. Self-leveling pedals with adjustable straps keep feet in place while pedaling. Made from premium-grade steel built to withstand the demands of repeated use. Easy to store and transport with the foldable design and integrated transportation wheels. Simplify your total body workouts today with the Total Body Bike.
Ever thought about all the things you achieve with a simple push of a button? Technology brings endless possibilities right to our fingertips, making life more comfortable in every aspect and helping us prepare better for the future. Except when it comes to a flat tire. RideAir is the next generation of effortless air pumps. And it works at the push of a button, just like you're used to, just as it should. RideAir is clean, simple, and efficient. It's designed to help you in two common situations: the natural loss of air pressure that always catches you off guard, and a flat tire that stops you from getting on your bike at all. RideAir is the perfect quick fix for both. It lets you inflate your tires with a single push of a button. This way, you can take care of a flat after you get to where you need to be. RideAir can be refilled with an air compressor in literally a second, and its built-in safety prevents air from leaking out. We worked on a slick and elegant design that would fit perfectly on your bike so that you're never caught without it. Just to be on the safe side, it has a built-in lock to keep your RideAir where it belongs. And of course, RideAir isn't just for riding. You can also use it to inflate lots of other things.